Just had to get out the house, get in tune with nature. A lot of times people say there is no God. How can you say there is no God? Where did nature come from? I mean, someone invented the TV. Someone invented chair, the wheel. So many things are invented, but nothing just popped up out of nowhere. Whoop, just popped up out of nowhere. Nature is the only thing that man has not created. Everything else, think about it. From the can you use, the cup you use, and what they derive it from. They derive it from nature. It's just really common sense. Peace and blessing.